Sick of lawn edges creeping over your walkway or flower beds and making everything look messy? So, if your grass keeps spilling onto your paths or messing up your garden borders, you gotta stay on top of it with some simple tricks. First off, just grab a regular edging tool or even a sharp spade. Trust me, you don't need anything fancy, and cut along the edge where you want your lawn to stop. Do this every couple of weeks, especially in spring and summer when grass grows like crazy. You can totally install some physical barriers too, like those plastic or metal strips you push into the ground. They're cheap and work wonders. Another hack is laying down a line of bricks, pavers, or even wood to keep the grass from sneaking over. Mulch is also super helpful because it keeps the soil moist and blocks grass from taking over the flower beds. If you're dealing with stubborn spots, pull out any runners by hand and toss them in the yard waste bin. Keep an eye out after mowing too. Sometimes clippings can settle right at the edge and start new growth where you don't want it. One of the most common mistakes with lawn edge maintenance is letting edges get too overgrown before you tackle them, which makes cleanup way harder and encourages weeds to show up along your walkway or flower bed edges. To fix that, make edging part of your regular lawn care routine so you're always ahead of the mess. Another big issue is cutting edges too deep or too shallow, which can damage your lawn or let grass sneak under barriers. Aim for a neat, shallow trench, just deep enough to separate grass roots from your beds. The third mistake is using flimsy or poorly installed barriers that shift or pop out over time. So make sure whatever barrier you use is anchored well and tall enough to handle thick grass growth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for finding trusted local contractors who know how to keep lawns and garden beds looking pro without breaking your budget. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who want their outdoor spaces looking sharp, so everyone gets what they need without the hassle.